So here we are at Eis Greissler Stadel. I can't pronounce that.
Eis Greissler. It's an ice cream factory with a roller coaster and a few other bits and bobs.
Yeah, so we're going to go get some ice cream and a Greissler bob. You looking forward to it, Oliver?
Yeah.
What's your favourite ice cream?
Cookies and cream.
Cookies and cream. What's your favourite ice cream, Kelsey?
Got to be salted caramel or chocolate, I think.
Oh, and you, Ted?
What's your favourite ice cream?
Tea.
Tea?
Tea.
Yeah.
Your favourite ice cream is tea?
Yeah.
I think someone's having you on.
I think the heater's got to a certain something.
I think that was a caramel for him. For me, it's pistachio, so I'll see if they got pistachio, because I love
And
pistachio.
it looks like there's a few other little bits and bobs here, doesn't there? I saw a playground and a slide, and so we'll let you know what we find.
Yeah, we might be having to do a slide. Let's go get some. Oh, what do you want, Ted?
I also like pizza flavour. That's also good.
Okay. You have now entered the Twilight Zone. Anyway, see you in a bit. So Ted, one, you've lost your sunglasses,
Yeah.
so we're going to have to go find those.
I'm falling back here as well.
And two, I have no idea what this is, this ride.
It's a roller coaster.
I know it's a roller coaster, we can all see that. I've got no idea what it's called or who made it. We're going backwards, aren't we?
Yeah, why not?
Yeah, it's going to be good. Bye-bye. Up we go one more time.